Okay, so welcome to Roasted Academy. Let's talk about the fate of pyruvate. So, uh, first of all, there is glycolysis. Glycolysis is simply the process by which glucose is broken down. Okay, breakdown of glucose we call it glycolysis. Glyco simply means sugar, lysis simply means to break. Okay, so breaking down glucose, it's called glycolysis. So glucose is broken down into pyruvate. Okay, glycolysis, in the end we produce pyruvate, and pyruvate, these are simply going to be two molecules of pyruvate. So we look at the fate of pyruvate, right? We talk about three fates of pyruvate. We talk about one, when there is an aerobic environment, okay, where oxygen is present in the body. Then when oxygen is not present in the body, let me not really say when oxygen is insufficient, right? Let's say someone is exercising, then they are running low of oxygen. So in that case, the body starts generating lactate, okay, lactic acid. So whenever we hear about something, the word is ending with "ate," right? We should be thinking about an acid, right? Lactic acid, lactate's the same thing. So the body will start producing lactic acid. That's under anaerobic environments. We can also talk about this in the other cells, like yeast cells. In this one, there is ethanol which is produced. So these are three fates of pyruvate. One, production of lactic acid. Two, production of acetyl CoA. Three, where we have got production of ethanol. Okay, so the one that we mostly stick to here, it's the one where there's an aerobic environment, right? And we are producing acetyl CoA, because this one is very important in that acetyl CoA will be taken to the citric acid cycle. Okay, citric acid cycle for more generation and more generation of energy. This acetyl CoA is going to get oxidized, right? It's going to get oxidized into carbon dioxide. Then we're going to have generation of NAD and FAD in the citric acid cycle. Then FAD and NAD will take them to the electron transport chain for the actual generation of energy. That's about the aerobic oxidation of pyruvate. Pyruvate is broken down into acetyl CoA. You have seen that there in the step, there is generation of NAD and release of carbon dioxide there. Okay, and pyruvate is then converted to acetyl CoA. There's addition of CoA there, then we generate acetyl CoA. Okay, the name of the enzyme here, it's pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, PDH complex, which is comprised of those enzymes, okay, E1, E2, E3. So that's about the fate of pyruvate, right?